Hello Jim, it's Zurab here at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Tesla Model S P85. It's a performance model which comes with a 19-inch alloy rims, air suspension. It's a rear-wheel drive. It has a power lift gate, has this carbon spoiler on it. That's the cable for charging. The vehicle is fully certified and serviced at Tesla's service centers. It has every update, whatever was needed to be done. The paint itself is very unique. It's a dark green, and there is a protection film on the hood here. So paint is in a really good shape, you know. It's been, of course, detailed and polished, so it's very clean and shiny. The interior is tan. It's suede and leather. It's a two of them. So on the ceiling is a suede as well. Has dark brown wood. That's the button for the glove box. It has a heated seats. The mileage at the moment is 101,906 kilometers. There are a lot of options. It has this nice sunroof. You can close it like that, and it closes. So right now it shows 270 kilometers. With the fully charged, the range is about 400 kilometers on it. So it's very clean. It's available and ready to go. You can come to take a look and check the vehicle in person. If you have any questions, you can call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.